Hello, TBK's new 405 Intelligent Bubble Remover has a built-in air compressor that can be used as an air compressor, 15-inch super bubble removal space. The straight screen mobile phone, curved screen mobile phone, tablet computer can remove bubbles. The pressure check, control, self-locking buckle sensor, and aviation aluminum integrated warehouse have better sealing performance. The working noise is only about 55 decibels. The operation is simple and intelligent. It is a good helper for mobile phone maintenance.